Hey traders, Ethereum is up about 5% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $2,445. What's more interesting is the rising trading volume that usually signals stronger market participation and possible momentum building. But here's the real question. Is this the start of a fresh bullish move? Or just a short-term trap before a pullback? Right now, traders are watching for confirmation. Not just price spikes, but sustained volume and follow-through. So stay alert, don't rush in emotionally, and let the market confirm the direction. What do you think? Breakout or trap? Also, quick update. We've just released our latest Ethereum crypto price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Ethereum crypto. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.